What's up, guys? I just wanted to say I hope that you're having a good day, and that you're drinking enough water and stretching in these crazy times, right? Because we just are post-pandemic, like World War III right now. So right when you thought all kinds of stress was going to be alleviated and we're going to come out of this coronavirus thing, and then all of a sudden now, like, we're on the verge of World War III and Ukraine's getting invaded and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm going to stay away from politics and things like that on this channel, but I am exploring some Pueblo monuments today, some old stuff. They should be pretty fun to check out, and then I'm going to find a spot to camp in the truck later. But for right now, I'm just going to go explore this this monument. I've never been here before, and it's some ruins, so not sure how long they've been here or anything like that. It's only like an hour south of my city, but I've just never been here. I've never seen it, so I'm going to go check it out right now, and hope that you guys enjoy it. Not expecting it to dead end. I wonder what they would do with such like a long linear road. It has a window. It's like it looks like a hallway to me. It's crazy to see something that old be that massive at the same time. Like, this thing was actually pretty big. Super cool. It's really windy outside, but I was going to end up trying to stay the night here, but there's a ranger station and some park rangers that I don't think would be having that. So I'm gonna have to go figure something else out. I know there's like another leg of this thing, or there's another monument like this down the road, so I might go check that out before I try to find my way over to a camping. So now I'm at like the sister location of the Pueblo monument. So they're both called the Salinas Pueblo Missions National Monument, but they're about 20 minutes away from each other. So I drove the other 20 minutes to this one. It's gated, same thing, forest ranger and all that stuff. So I'll have to find somewhere else to spend the night tonight, but I'm gonna get out and check this out and show you guys around. So this location's main hall seems like it's in like better condition than the other one. The other one, only some of the areas were intact, but there was nothing that was like this big still intact. This place is huge. It's crazy to think that it was built like, 200-300 years ago. It's wild. I have a thing for old buildings, and I saw this one. I wanted to stop and check it out. Trips me out that there's like curtains and stuff up. It's pretty wild. Barn that's just full of trash. It's disgusting. Hello. Trying to make sure nobody's in here. like a newer blender. Disgusting, all this rat poop everywhere. A lot of old books. Pretty cool. I've got a thing for old houses. It's kind of cool to stop and explore this stuff. It's weird. It's always weird. There's just like this whole top of a pool table hanging out. All kinds of old furniture. It trips me out how places like this just end up abandoned. So I came across this cool little spot right here to park my truck and back into. So that's where I'm going to be spending the night tonight, hanging out. And then just a few steps from my truck, I have a pre-built fire pit for me just in case I want to have a fire. I'll probably end up starting one. I don't know if I was going to tonight, but I probably will, just because it's always nice to sit around the fire. But I saw a trailhead over here. I'm going to go see about hiking up and down that thing for a little bit. Maybe spend a few minutes going up it and checking out the scenery around here. It's kind of funny because the trail goes from this side, and then as soon as you cross over to where the shade is, you're trudging through snow. I don't really feel like walking through all that snow right now. Plus, all this adventuring today has got me kind of hungry, so I'm just going to go back to the truck and cook up some dinner, especially while I have some daylight left. So dinner for me tonight is meatball subs, but without the sub. No bread. But if you don't know, these meatballs are actually really, really delicious. So my wife and I were supposed to have meatball subs, but I saw these in the freezer and I was like, well, I'm going camping. I kind of want them, so I brought them with me. And then I actually usually we do like shredded mozzarella or whatever on the sub itself, but I brought pepper jack for me because I like kind of spicier stuff. Almost forgot. Cheers, guys. Sparkling water time. Have a beer, whatever you want at home. I don't really care. Just enjoy the moment with me. All right, it's getting dark and cold out there, so I did decide to bundle up and get in the truck, get in my sleeping bag. I don't think it's going to get that cold tonight, so it should be fine like this. But other than that,
I'm just going to edit this video and then do my usual things. So, honestly, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for coming to my channel. Like, it really means a lot to me that people stop by, and some people are commenting and some people like the videos and all that stuff. Really means a lot to me. I don't have a super huge following or anything here on YouTube, but I have a lot of fun making these videos. And like today, I had an absolute blast driving around and checking everything out. So I hope that you guys really enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy the content. And until next time, guys, peace.